Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Porchy Tech, and today we are going to be unboxing this purple case for the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and this is from a company called Angelus. I got this on Amazon, so they're Amazon based, and I grabbed this. Hopefully this helps you out if you're in the market looking for a case. It's my first time seeing this case as well, so we're just going to go ahead and unbox this, put it on the phone and see what it looks like. Okay, so here we go. Let's take it out the box. Got the regular papers. We're not gonna glue anything with that right now. Let's get the box out the way. And this is for the new iPhone 14 Pro Max, the deep purple. So here we go. Here's the cover, and as you can see, really nice. It's not a dark purple, it's kind of light, not too light, but in between dark and light. And the camera hump here is black, which I really don't like. I think they should make this purple as well. I think it would look better on the phone, but so far it feels really nice and grippy. No fingerprints. Feels really nice. Let's go ahead and take a look at the bottom here. Regular cutouts. So let's just go ahead and slap it on the phone and see how it looks. There we go. Has some nice humps here to protect the edge of the phone. The power button and volume up and down feels really nice and clicky. Really nice. You have your protection for your camera here. This is what I was talking here. I wish they had made this purple, but so for some people they might like it. Not really, doesn't really look too bad, but I would rather this be purple as well, just like the sides. Would think it would look blend in better with the iPhone, the deep purple. And as you can see, you have your regular cutouts here, the volume up and down, and you have your cutout for your silent switch and the power button. And these have a little glass to them. They feel like some cases where you can also change these buttons out to different colors. Really nice and soft and clicky. And it has a glossy look to it, the buttons, so they're not rubber, they feel like hard plastic. Gives it a nice highlight. Looks really good. So this is how it looks on the phone. And this case again is from Angelus from Amazon, and I'm gonna go ahead and link this in the description, just in case you like this case and you want to make a purchase. Then you could just go ahead and click the link down below and it will take you to the link for the case. Okay, so hopefully this video helps you out if you're in the market looking to purchase a case for your deep purple iPhone or whichever other color you have. This seems like it would go well with the black iPhone as well, so would give it a nice look as well. So whichever one you have, and if you want to purchase this case, they have it in other colors as well. So I'm gonna have the link in the description so you could get to the page and purchase your case from there. But this is how it looks. Okay, from the front, the side, and the back again. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this video helps you out if you're in the market looking to purchase a case for your iPhone. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe, turn your notification bell on to get notified when I have uploads on this channel. Peace.